You ever scroll through social media and suddenly feel like something is off? The comments sound weirdly similar. Every video feels designed by the same invisible machine. Even arguments online seem fake, repetitive, almost robotic. It's like the internet lost its soul somewhere along the way. And that feeling has a name now. The dead internet theory. According to this theory, most of the internet is no longer driven by real people. Instead, it's being flooded with bots, AI-generated content, fake engagement, and algorithm-controlled conversations designed to manipulate what we see, think, buy, and believe. Sounds insane at first, right? But the scary part is, parts of it are starting to feel real. Back in the early 2000s, the internet felt alive. Forums were chaotic but authentic. YouTube videos were grainy and random. People posted because they were passionate, not because an algorithm rewarded them for engagement. You could discover weird websites made by actual humans who just wanted to share their hobbies, ideas, or creativity. The web felt messy, unpredictable, and human. Fast forward to today, and things are different. Huge parts of the internet are now optimized entirely for attention. AI writes articles, bots leave comments, fake accounts repost stolen content, companies mass-produce videos, memes, and tweets using automation. Some experts estimate that nearly half of internet traffic today comes from bots rather than humans. And with advanced AI tools exploding in popularity, that number could keep growing. What makes the dead internet theory so unsettling isn't just the existence of bots. Bots have been around for years. It's the idea that AI-generated content is slowly replacing genuine human interaction. Think about it. How many times have you read an article that felt strangely empty? Or watched a video where every sentence sounded polished but emotionless? Even music, art, and photography are now being generated by machines in seconds. And honestly, AI itself isn't the villain here. AI can be incredibly useful. It helps doctors detect diseases, assists disabled people, and speeds up creative work. But the problem starts when the internet becomes flooded with artificial content designed only to keep us scrolling longer. Because algorithms don't care about truth, creativity, or emotional depth. They care about engagement. If fake outrage, AI spam, or repetitive content keeps people online, the system rewards it. One of the creepiest examples is social media comment sections. Researchers have already discovered massive networks of automated accounts that imitate real human behavior. These bots can argue, promote political ideas, spread misinformation, or artificially make something look popular. Sometimes entire online debates are amplified by accounts that aren't even real people. Imagine thinking thousands of people support an opinion when half the conversation was generated by software. Then there's the rise of AI influencers. Yes, completely fake people with computer-generated faces are now gaining millions of followers online. Some brands actually prefer virtual influencers because they never age, never get canceled, and never demand money the way real celebrities do. Think about that for a second. Companies are realizing they might not even need humans anymore to sell products or capture attention. But maybe the biggest reason this theory resonates with people is emotional. The modern internet genuinely feels less personal than it used to. Instead of discovering unique voices, we're trapped inside recommendation systems feeding us endless recycled content. Everyone copies the same trends because the algorithm rewards familiarity. Creativity becomes data. Personality becomes branding. Human interaction becomes performance. And AI is accelerating all of this at an unbelievable speed. Today, one person can generate thousands of articles, images, videos, and comments in a single day using AI tools. That means the web could soon become overwhelmed by synthetic content created faster than humans can consume it. Some experts even warn about something called AI model collapse, where AI systems start training on content created by other AI systems, causing quality and originality to slowly degrade over time. In simple terms, machines could end up endlessly copying machines until the internet becomes one giant echo chamber. Ironically, the more AI content fills the internet, the more valuable real human connection becomes. Genuine stories stand out more. Honest conversations matter more. People are starting to crave authenticity again, because deep down, we can tell when something feels real. So maybe the future of the internet depends on a choice. Do we allow algorithms and automation to completely dominate online culture, or do we fight to keep the web human? Because if the internet becomes a place where nobody knows what's real anymore, the scariest part won't be that AI killed the web. It'll be that we barely noticed it happening.